Hello guys, today I have my cooking today in my big chicken noodle soup khao poon. I want to share with you my recipe right now. The chicken drum right here. I'm gonna go ahead boil them and clean all the the kind of fat water out before I cook make a chicken noodle soup. Okay, let's go start it. I'm gonna boil this for half hour. Throw away the fat water. Started. Okay, I just want to share with you my recipe, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. So let's go cook khao poon chicken noodle soup. It can be a more vegetable and salad thing. Okay, let them boil for half hour so I can throw the fat away. Okay, I'll be back another half hour. Okay. Okay, my chicken boil. You see all the fat water. Don't need that. Just take all this chicken right here. That look good and clean, right? And all the fat, all the oil, fat water, don't worry about, just let go. So take all the chicken, very clean. We have the fat water right there, don't worry about chicken broth, anything like that. It's a fat right there. The cooking, clean, no fat. See that? Nice. Okay, I'm gonna show you next step. Okay, second step, I'm about to cook. This is 1 gallon of the water, and go back to the pot right here. Okay. Yeah, 1 gallon water, let them boil. Next step, we especially tough time right now, coronavirus. When I cook, I have to cook a lot, so I don't have to cook all the time, like at least keep it 1 week. Okay, this is my herb ingredient. You know, cooking is medicine because it's tough time like that. When I cooking, this is a finger root, this is galanga. Okay, I put in galanga in here, and this is lemongrass. And put a lot of herb, guys. That's why when I cook a whole lot like that, keep you 3-4 days. You finish soon or later, keep it 3-4 days. This is the herb right here. Cooking is medicine. That's why protect your immune system. And you eat food as a medicine. This is loud hot pepper. Okay, that's going down like that. And this is herb right here, going down to the pot right there. Okay, cooking is a medicine, it's helping you. This is like eat food as a medicine and fix your immune system. You don't need the medicine. And tough time like this, I don't really care a problem like that. But as long as I eat good food right here at home, okay guys, not the packet. Cook good food and eat. No, don't buy the processed food. Okay, lemongrass chop small one like that. Throw in the soup right here. Let them cook, and I will show you next step. Okay. Okay. See the chicken? I just boiled it. Just go ahead, take it out, or the meat like that. All of that I have, just like that. Okay. Chicken. So you just take off the chicken from the bone like that. Chicken already very clean, no more fat. Take it out just like that. Okay. Okay. Take it off from the bone. Until I finish it. Very easy. Okay, here chicken I take off from the bone. Go ahead, throw in the pot right here. Everything going down. It's very easy, guys. Make khao poon, okay? Khao poon nam ya. Okay, first I have to put sauce. 1 spoon. 1 spoon of sauce. MSG. Because I don't have chicken broth powders, I'm gonna go ahead and put this one on. Just 1 spoon. Small little spoon, okay? Don't put too much. I don't put too much. Sugar. Spoon. Sugar. Everything up to the soup at the same time. This is kiram leaf. Okay, I'll show you the tree, okay? Kiram leaf look like. Okay, we use this leaf, make lard, make everything. So this is the powder. They take the leaf and dry out and they blend it right here. So that's what I have at home, fresh one. So I keep for using like lard food, you know. Put 1 spoon. That's why I say cooking like a medicine. That's all the herb right here in the pot right here. Cooking the medicine. Let them cook all together. Everything in right here, okay? Let them cook all together. Then I show you next step, okay? All the herb right here. Cooking is medicine, guys. If you cooking like this, I guarantee you, you never can get sick, okay? Believe it, never get sick. So let them cook. I'm gonna show you. This is padak. We call Lao, L-A-O-S, padak, okay? Lao fish sauce. So this is fish sauce. This brand you can make papaya salad, anything you cook. So we are using this. So I'm gonna go ahead and put in 1 big spoon, okay? 1 big spoon, throw it down. That's good, just like that. Okay, last ingredient, my coconut milk right here, guys. Coconut cream. Then name this the list. The Thai say Aroi D. So English say delish coconut milk. Okay, so use this kind. It's very good one, and I'm gonna show you that's the curry paste. This kind, okay. Curry paste, okay, right here. I use 2 kind. I mix them because I did red. 2 kind of curry paste, okay. So this one right here, okay. This is the last ingredient right here. Okay, it's open already. Right there, 2 of kind. They're red, but this is like orange red, but this is kind of red, so make them come together. Same taste. Go ahead, open coconut milk. This is in the paper box. Get this how creamy is it. Just go ahead, put in a pot right here. Yes, right there. This one I recommend. If you use coconut milk, use this kind. Is the best kind. Okay, this one right here. That's beautiful. That's a good one. They say Aroi D. That means this. Okay, Aroi D. A-R-O-Y. That's D. That's what they call Aroi D. So use this kind. Go ahead. Put this one in the coconut milk together right here. That's how you cook. Okay. Put them together. This is second can. Go ahead, put them in there. Yeah. Okay, this is paprika, guys. This is not hot pepper. It's a red pepper. So I want my soup come on out nice and red. Oh, I'm sorry, my phone bothered me today. Okay, this is paprika. Okay, and I'm gonna go ahead and put about 1 spoon in here. Make a soup come on out nice and red. That's not spicy, but that's 2 small ones spicy. Because I got 1 hand, anything happen, try to show you the same time and cook the same time. Here come the curry paste in here. Okay, just let them cook. So simple to make the khao poon, guys. The way my way, very easy. Okay, let them cook. You see coconut boiling right now. Coconut curry. Okay, I stop. Turn it off. Sitting there on the side. Okay, my chicken soup cool down now. Everything in here, all the herb in here. I'm gonna show you how to get update shortcut to blend this, to smash this down. Okay, very easy. Okay, all I need this machine right here. This is commercial machine right here. When you don't have time to do the old-fashioned way, the way Laos people do, and I don't have that equipment anyway. I don't have ข่อยบ่มีสากกับโคกต่ำ anyway ข่อยมีตัวนี้ okay. It's very easy, okay, guys. See that? So you keep blend it down right here. Everything will come together. Alright. Let's go this way, okay? เฮ็ดแบบนี้ง่ายๆนะง่ายๆสบาย Everything will be messed and we're gonna smash down very good. See that already coming through. See? มุนเบิดละนี่นะ very good. ง่ายๆ very easy, guys. This is already come to the 1 soup right now. If I don't have to blend all of them, that's fine. No problem either. See? Right there. Nice. Awesome, right? ง่ายๆนะพวกเจ้าไปซื้อมาเด้อซื้อมาใส่เด้อนี่นะ very good. Love the machine. Look at that. That's why everything working so good. Love this machine. This commercial. Okay, now hit up again. Just keep heat up again. I will put this one together and we come to ready to eat. Time to boil the noodle while my soup start warm up. Okay, just want to recommend and share with you this kind of noodle, guys. You make khao poon, คันจะ make khao poon นะ you know what to go get this kind. 802 number 802 the noodle This is the best noodle for make khao pun, okay? Whatever you do, the best noodle. You can make the salad noodle, make khao pun noodle, any kind of noodle, this brand. All you need to remember, egg or two, that's good, okay? This is like old man Chinese. Not old man, three lady. Chinese woman, 3 lady in here, okay? That's the best one, okay? Because I want to boil comfortable with this noodle, a lot of starch, so you can put a lot of water boiling. Okay, so about to boiling right now. It's already boiling, already cooked already. So I'm just go ahead, heat up again. You see that how the thick yum, right? Look at that, a lot of meat, a lot of chicken, a lot of herb right here. Okay, time to put coconut in. Okay, time to put coconut milk in here. Okay, let's get it out all together. Like I say, I can cook this to eat for a long time. Okay, now everything in. Alright. So take a look. Right, looking good right now. This is how khao pun chicken, khao pun gai, khao pun nam gai, okay? Ready to eat. Let me taste. I have to taste first. Anything not enough, always fix it, okay? Taste first. It's pretty good. I need a little bit more sugar. Wow, I got a lot of herb. I smell a lot of good herb. That's why I say cooking like a medicine. This is a lot of herb right here. And also you can eat with rice too if you want to. Say put what 2 spoons. Okay, that's good right there. Stir. And let's taste again. Oh, perfect. You can taste the herb, galamga, loose finger root, key lime leaf powder, and hot pepper, and lemongrass. All that in one part right here. Cooking food is so healthy, very healthy. Okay, let's turn off. Done right there. Turn it off because I'm satisfied with the taste. Okay, here comes salad. I'm gonna go ahead cut salad, make a good salad for the noodle I eat. Okay, there you have it. This salad right here, you can eat with good noodle. Okay, this is vegetable I'm gonna eat with, guys. All this, everything. That's how you eat food, like medicine. Not about just cook. You eat the vegetable too, you know, like right here. Okay. Now I'm gonna go ahead and boil the noodle. Okay, the water boiling right now. I'm gonna go ahead and drop the noodle in there. Noodle cook about 7 minutes. Okay, not too long. 7 minutes only. 7 minutes only. Okay. All right, it's cooking. Okay, here noodle done. So about to drain it out. The 3 times of the water make it nice and clear. Look at that. How beautiful noodle. Nice, yum. Okay. This is bun right here. Just like that. Basic one bun like that, just enough. One serving. Yep, just a 3 serving right there. Noodle ready to serve. Okay, let's serve. 1 serve right here. Vegetable on the side, just like that. Vegetable right here. I don't know how to tell you, but the deal. Okay, that's the deal. That's how I serve with my noodle. This is spring onion and cilantro. Serve with my noodle, and you guys know this dandelion. Dandelion right here is a bitter taste, okay, but it's medicine for you too. Dandelion. They grow wild thing, but not right now. You don't have to go get wild, because they sell in the Korean market. Now, go ahead and take the soup from here. Soup. Take the bottoms up because the thickness in the bottom right here. See that? The noodle soup, noodle right here, guys. So good. There you have it. There you have it, guys. Beautiful and yum. Okay.